guys, it's Bo back here with you making another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to break down your AR-15. Do a little vest on for you guys. Chrome Glock. I know you guys love the Chrome Glock. Alright. So, first what you want to do is you want to eject your mag. You want to clear it. Obviously, I got my brass catcher on, so nothing's gonna come out. Clear. So, go ahead and clear that. You got your two breakdown pins here. You got one in the rear, you got one in the front. Kind of set my AR like this a little bit. Push that rear pin through.
Hey guys, I just wanted to put a comment in here and say while this is going, this is not as easy as I try and make it sound in the video. As you can see, I kind of am struggling with the front pin and the rear pin, so don't be discarded if you are struggling too. Alright, thanks.
There you go. Break down. Your lower, your upper. There you go. Have a good day.